Hi guys, we are back out here again, but I have a special guest. Actually, this is his hunt. I'm not holding a weapon at all. I am actually going to be just holding, hold on, there we go. I'm actually just going to be holding the camera and the calls. Drew has, this is his first year turkey hunting ever.
Yep.
And yeah, we're going to go out here and see if we can do what we did last time we were here. So there's a bunch of turkeys in here. Nobody else has actually hunted in here since I shot mine, so it should be an interesting morning. We have a little bit of rain, a little bit overcast, but it looks like it should be clearing up soon. Just check the weather too, so we look fine for the rest of the morning. Hopefully we can make this fast just like mine was, but you never know with turkey hunting. So anyways guys, this is gonna be a fun hunt. I love taking people who's never done this before, and I can't wait to see the look on his face. But we're gonna get all painted up with our nature's paint, and we're gonna head on out there. So hope you guys are ready for another awesome turkey hunt. Alright guys, Drew and I are walking in right now to the blind. And they look like an elk. Oh, he's like, up over there. Yeah, what is that? I don't even know what it is. Anyways guys, Drew and I are hiking in right now to my little man-made blind. We're gonna see if we can get one of these gobblers to come in for him. So I'm freaking pumped. I can't wait to see his face when we get him coming in. If he's anything like me, he's gonna shit himself. It's my first time I had one come in. I was like, I shit myself. Anyways guys, stay tuned. We're almost to the blind. We're gonna get the decoy set up. And we got here early enough this time that I think these birds are still up in the tree. So let's go have some fun. Good luck for that. That's my turkey. Wonder what that's from, guys. Alright dude, so what I do is I'll actually just sit my butt right there and lean up against this tree. And so, it scared me. So we just heard a goblin. I thought I heard it on the way in actually when we were setting up the decoy. So we're gonna totally get set up and ready, and we're gonna see if we can get this bird to come in. It might be that Jake, dude. That Jake that came in with the Tom I shot. He was gobbling like crazy. So we're in the exact same spot as we were. So we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. So this bird right now, it's coming in, but he's taking his time, which makes me think this might be the Jake that came in with my Tom last week. So we know I haven't been. That was last Tuesdays when that happened. So we've gave him 6 days off around here, which is plenty, I think. So, anyways, we're just gonna let him work his way down, and maybe he'll show himself to Drew. But there's a lot of birds in here, so I'm not gonna. I told Drew to be patient. Don't, if it's a Jake and whatnot, he doesn't have to shoot it. But if he wants to shoot it, he can shoot it. So it's all up to him. Whatever makes him happy. So it's just gonna be fun though. It's coming closer. We'll see. Drew, are you excited? Yeah.
This is truly awesome. They're all over the place. It seems like they're just trying to be a little skeptical probably from the last last time that Alan was here. But yeah. It looks like they're gonna probably come around this way. But they're like back behind us over here, and then there's some like way up back that way. This is so cool. I've never gone turkey hunting, and it's just like a blast. Just even hearing them is awesome. And it's cool to watch Alan do what he's doing. It's great just getting out here and like getting with these guys, because I mean they know what they're doing, and Alan's been doing turkey hunting specifically for a long time, and it's cool to just watch all this interaction. This is awesome. I'm super grateful for all of this. It's a really good group of guys.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, the boy did it.
Woo!
Dude, we called him. We worked on him
forever.
Yeah, we worked on him for a while.
He was hesitant.
Yeah, that was a job, man. Dude, did you hear me say shoot him? Shoot him. It's because like I had him coming through, and then when you shot him, he was just past this bush. I didn't get the actual shot, but I got him coming all the way in.
Yeah.
See the those are geese, but dude, hell yeah,
awesome.
your first turkey
Thank
hunt.
you.
Yeah.
Oh, that was awesome.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so just grab him the back leg and hold him upside down. That'll be alright. Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
Guys, I'm so pumped. We had to work on this for a long time. This bird has been kind of a jackass all day, all morning.
All morning.
Yeah. But Drew got her done. We called him in from up top. Took an hour and a half or so, probably. Yeah. Finally, this bird came in, but his first bird ever, and it's a tom, dude. It's pretty cool. Beautiful. It's a beautiful bird.
That is.
So, all right, we're gonna get some pictures taken, but yeah, we got number 2 bird on the ground.
Oh, that was so much fun. Just like watching you work on getting him in. It took so long, and then everything gobbling all around, and
dude, it's crazy.
It was awesome.
It's
super grateful.
Yeah, it's so much, dude. To this turkey hunt, people think this is like so easy and all this stuff. Like we sit there 2 hours and try to work these birds coming down. These birds are pretty smart. I mean, they get to a point where they get ruddy and dumb. And that's any male and anything. But yeah, this is so much fun, and this is your actual first time ever going turkey hunting?
Yeah, first time ever going turkey hunting.
This is his first hunt ever. And he got spoiled with a turkey, and you know what? That's awesome. I think this will hook you. What's your plan next? You gonna try the bow?
He's gonna try the bow.
He's gonna try the bow, so I think I'll get my bow ready for this as well. We'll pull some kudus out, some fresh ones. We'll try to get a turkey, and we'll both try to go for it. I think I have a turkey hunting partner now. I've always been doing this solo, but I think I got somebody
You bet.
hooked. So anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching, and make sure you guys hit that subscribe button at the bottom. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed.
Good content.
Appreciate it, man. That we're gonna have some fun, and we can get this thing back and go do a couple of victory laps. So I'll see you guys next time. Hit the subscribe button. Later. That's how you do it.